Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to review a wireless microphone. It's from Hollyland and the model is Lark A1. First, I will do the unboxing, then I will do the audio testing. So let's unbox this first.
Hello, mic testing number one. Hello, mic testing number 1, 2, 3. Mic testing number 1, 2, 3.
So I'm talking through this microphone right now and it is on. As you can see, the LED is glowing here. It is in blue color. So basically the noise cancellation is not activated yet. Okay, also when you place the microphone on your shirt, make sure this is on the top. This is the place where it captures your voice. Okay, also to place it, here is the magnet. So to connect to your shirt, keep the magnet behind the shirt and place your mic on top of it. That's it. It's so simple and it is also strong enough to hold the microphone. Right now the microphone is switched on and the noise cancellation is not on yet, and I am in a closed room and the AC is on full blast. I'll be silent for a few seconds so you can hear the surrounding noise. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. Now let me enable the noise cancellation, then record again so you can compare the differences. Now the noise cancellation is on but with the weaker setting. Also you can see the microphone, the light turns to green. Let me be silent for few seconds so you can hear the surrounding noise. Mic testing number 1 2 3. Mic testing 1 2 3. Now let me increase the noise cancellation setting to medium and then record it. On medium setting, Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing number 1 2 3. Let me increase the noise reduction setting to strong. Now the noise reduction setting is on strong. This is how the surrounding sound is. Mic testing 1 2 3. Mic testing number 1 2 3. If you ask me about this microphone, this is one of the best microphone I ever purchased, because within 4,000 rupees, such a quality I have never got. So this is my first time. I'm happy with the product. Before closing the video, I would like to also talk about other options available in the app. So let's see them. As you can see, the app has a volume control where you can actually adjust the gain according to your need. For example, if your voice is too low, you can increase the volume to the max. If your voice is already loud, you can keep it somewhere minimum level like 2 or 3, or sometime you can keep it in the middle like 4 also. Then the another most important feature that they have given is the stereo option, which is really useful for podcasting. Let's say you are podcasting with another person, so two mics are connected, and when you select stereo, basically it records two voices in two separate channels. So mic 1 left, mic 2 right, which is really useful, because if the other person voice is too low, you can easily edit later since it is recorded in a separate channel. So this is an excellent option which is there only, I think I have seen only in this mic. Then there is another option called equalization, which is basically you can increase your tone, like treble in your voice, you can increase it to low or strong. Otherwise, you can simply keep it in the default level. And this option, reverb, which is useful for singers. If you are singing song through the mic, you can enable this reverb. I think mostly for vloggers and those who are doing podcasting, it's not required, but still they have given this option, which is good. And the last option, you can actually turn off this light. Sometimes some people might feel that this light is disturbing, so you can simply switch it on, switch it off. That's all guys. My verdict is you can definitely consider this microphone. For below 4,000, this is an excellent choice, and they have other options also, which comes with old iPhone receiver as well. But if you ask me, you don't need to purchase it. Instead of that, you can simply purchase a small adapter that will do the same. If you think the video is useful, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for more such videos. Thanks for watching.